and they really is ripping off a lot of filmmakers with that title distribution. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. And so with that, one, thank you for talking about taking your time. I think I tell my clients this all the time as a producer, as a as a producer, as a director, as a executive producer. The world doesn't know it's waiting for it. So
Yeah,
the only timetable that exists is the one you give it.
and I said all the time.
If you rush it and then it's not good, that's left on that mark is
Yeah,
left on your is left on your resume.
yeah. I tell everybody it's gonna be the first time anybody sees it when you put it out.
Mm.
So it don't matter when you put it out.
Right.
As
It's
long as you
only
know,
old to you.
yeah, that's it. That's all. But it's gonna be the first time for everybody to see it. And I try to express that to them because they so worried about getting out there. We got to get it done, just that and the third. It's gonna be the first time anybody see it when you put it out there. So make sure everything is done right. And like if you notice, for all of you see my movie, I try to pay attention to really sound. I can look at a bad movie and have good sound. I can't look at a dope visual and have terrible sound. And I
Listen,
see it.
I just went through that. I
Mm,
literally just went through that. And I tell people all the time, sound is so important. If you're gonna
it's
spend money on anything, have good equipment and have good sound.
not only that, get the right people to mix your stuff.
And understand that there is a different like if your homeboy produces records, that's great. That does not make him a film sound designer. It is different.
He's not a composer. He's a beat
He's not a
producer.
compo. Well, right, right. But I mean, just because he knows how to use Audition doesn't mean
He know
that
how to
he is
mix
who
it.
should be doing the mix for your film.
Yeah, that's why I use my peoples over in India. That's who do my sound. They do my sound. I do the Foley's.